Today I'm with a crap ton of people to do my ears. Sorry for the bad camera angle. I am recording with my phone this time. I'm gonna try to make the camera angle better as good as possible. Anyway, the, they told me to go in game chats, but I'm not, so you can hear them speaking. I'll just turn my mic off. So let's go. I'm not gonna use my kill streaks, so. The sack I hear him. Right.
Look at the other side of the map, you're like parallel to me.
Where are them says gone? Come on, go find them.
Boys ran right past me.
Alright, I ran straight past him, right? Thank you for telling me that. Thank you for giving away your position. That was appreciated. Where'd it go? Seen someone up there. Clutch. Alright, yeah, I already know it. I already know where they're going. I already know where they're going. Yeah, I know where they're going. I know where they're going. I'm gonna. What? Wow. For God's sake, dude, what was that for? I've got a lightning strike, but I'm not gonna use it. Kyle, where are you? No, I'm just saying, where are you? You're inside the truck. Which truck? Which truck? Alright, I'm gonna fire my lightning strike in 3 spots, and if you're there, you die. So, alright, I'm gonna fire 'em there, and so if you're in the way of my lightning strike, then don't blame me. Just I'm warning you now. Oh well. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that was hilarious! That was hilarious. Kyle said so that there's sped on the van who didn't get killed, then the van just blew up. Oh my god! Oh my god, that was hilarious. That was the best. That was the best Call of Duty moment in history. I think I know where one of them are. Oh what? How did I miss? Oh, this is gonna be funny. I'm gonna go to the side of him. You look. I went prone. I went crouch and got your legs. I went crouch and got your legs. Keith, why?
What's that shot? See, yeah, I'm his face. I'm not moving on.
Arrow to the knee. Then we've got time for one more round, guys. I'm going to try and make this quick to get in between the 15 minutes. If I don't get it finished, then I'll do another video with these guys. Like I might as well just say, if you enjoy this my series, I'll do some more. I'll also be doing some free for all gameplays of me trick shotting, me trying out new stuff. And I'll get Kyle now. Oh my god. Ha ha ha, bitch.
You know what's really scary? I went and so I took steps.
Oh my god, where are they? Where are they?
Teigan. Later.
Ah, now to get him as well.
I find the hiding places.
Oh my god, you're so lucky with them. Anyway, thank you for watching. This was a bit of Mike Myers with me, JackGgaming, Xx Ninja, Split Shot 28, Test Predators, Teigan and Eclipes, and the Duck still went on Minecraft. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'm talking really fast because I'm just like really hyped today. I don't even know why. Where? Oh fuck! Why did I do that? Oh damn. Okay. Fire my ballistic knife as well. Alright, thank you for watching.